Hello. Let's talk about Harbor Freight welding carts. As I was putting together my latest Harbor Freight cart, the Vulcan, I'm setting up for a TIG welder, I realized that I have 3 of the 4 welding carts that are sold at Harbor Freight. So today we'll talk about the first one, which is the Chicago Electric, has a 100-pound capacity. I've seen it as low as $29, I believe, when I bought it a couple years ago. I believe I paid $39 for it. I'm currently using that on my plasma cutter. So we'll take a look at this one first. See on the bottom, I got my little titanium Easy Flux 125. Great little welder. I have a Primeweld cut 60. Which was much too large for the cart. So you can see this particular cart ended right there, did not have a handle, and my plasma cutter didn't fit. So what I did is I just added some metal, some angle, made a handle, and it actually fits pretty good. If you're in the market for a plasma cutter, this one is a little pricey, in the $700 range, but it cuts through 3/4 inch steel with no issue at all. Other modifications I did to the cart is it really didn't come with any hooks to add. I think it had just this one, so I added a couple here in the back to hold my water separator and motor guard filter. Plasma cutters need dry air. So even though I have dryers on my compressor, I still added this here. It's been a good cart in the couple years that I've owned it. I added these cable hooks on this side. Again, just bent out of metal. If you need a budget cart, this is the one to get. Next up, and the newest cart that I bought, is this Vulcan. It has a weight rating of 350 pounds, which I thought was good because I will have a 125 cubic foot bottle on the back. I'm setting it up as a TIG cart. Assembly on this thing is very simple. What I liked about this cart that makes it perfect for TIG is that it's got these storage holes that's perfect for TIG rod. Again, I'm just now setting this up, so I still need to order the bottle. This is the absolute cheapest AC/DC TIG welder in existence. If you want any information on that, just link it down below. But this seems to be a good cart. The welder sits a little low, so I'm probably going to do some modifications to it and actually add a top shelf. One thing that's kind of neat about this is it does have a little removable storage bin down there for consumables. This is $109 at Harbor Freight. I paid a little less than that just because I had a 15% coupon that was good for anything in the store. So that's it on this cart. If you have any questions, again, put them down below. The third cart is this Chicago Welding. I have on it a Everlast iMIG 200 multi-process welder. This cart has good storage on the bottom and 3 drawers. Pretty heavy duty cart. I got a 125 bottle on the back. I've had this cart for about 3 years, I believe. Does a good job. All of these carts seem to roll easy. So of these 3 carts, really can't find any flaws with any of them. I think they're all worth what you pay for them. Again, I've seen the first cart here, which is the cheapest, on sale for as little as $29. This one, when it's on sale, goes for around $99. And the one on the end, I paid about $165 for. This video helped. Leave a comment down below if you would like to have any more information on this equipment. I'll add some links into the description.